Hello, everyone. Welcome to my new service that I'll be starting next Monday, what would that be? May 13th? No, May 16th. May 16th is when I'll be launching this new service. And I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a little just background about what this new service offers. I know many of you were with my old service. I have streamlined this service a lot. It's much more focused, and we'll get into that right here. Let's see. The purpose of the service is to help you achieve your weekly profit goals consistently in any market, bull or bear. So when I became a successful trader is when I broke down my trading goals into weeks. Not looking long term, not looking medium term, very short term, because especially in this market, you've been trading in this market, week to week, the market constantly changes. So I break it down each week. I find the best plays for that week. We try to achieve our profit goals in that week, and then we move on to the next week. And we do the same thing. So whether it's a bull market or whether it's a bear market, the goal is to consistently achieve that profit goal that you're going to set for yourself. So how do we do this? There are three systems that I trade that perform very well. One is the premium system, and I've become especially good at selling put option premium in oversold conditions. And right now, this system is killing it. I'm currently, this year, I've won 90% of these trades. So we find stocks that are in long-term uptrends that have sold off and have come down to levels that I actually wouldn't mind buying. And I sell puts at that strike that I wouldn't mind buying to collect that premium. And if I get put into those into that stock, I'm fine at that level. So that has been doing very well in these conditions. Another system I trade is my SPY system. This only trades the SPY. All right, and I go both long and short. At key support levels, I go long. At key resistant levels, I go short. This system has done extremely well in this current environment, given the volatility. And then the third system finally is my swing system. And so this system trades individual stocks and strong uptrends. Right now, this system is not doing well. I've actually, in this environment, I completely stopped trading this system because there have been so many breakout failures. But the premium system and the SPY system right now are working. And eventually, once the bull market returns, uptrends return, the swing system will work as well. So those are the three systems I trade. So let's go over the premium system just a little more in depth. So each week, I look for 3 to 5 stocks that are in long-term uptrends, but are extremely oversold, as I mentioned. And then I sell weekly puts expiring on that Friday. So Monday is usually when I like to sell these puts. And then we wait till Friday for them to expire worthless, hopefully worthless. And we collect the full put premium in our account. And then we do the same thing the next week. So we wait for these oversold stocks to come down into a major fib retracement level. And then I like to sell the weekly puts at a strike just below that major fib retracement level. And then my contract size is what I'm comfortable with if the stock is put to me. So I don't put on like 100 contracts. I only put on what I'm willing to take if the stock is put to me. And then if it is, I will play the common stock that's put to me for an oversold bounce. This system has been working extremely well in this market because this market sells off. Sometimes you're put into the stock at that price, and then this market bounces. It's almost like clockwork. Been making a lot of money in this premium system. So this is one system that I really like. It's been working very well. The next one, SPY system, as I mentioned. So this is another short-term system. This is a system that usually triggers multiple trades per week. We go long SPY at support levels with a target at resistance, and then we go short SPY at resistance with targets at support. So we're going up and down, trading the market at different levels, making money both on the long side and the short side. And we keep our stops very tight. And since the stops are so tight, I trade with pretty big size in this system, sometimes up to 75% of my whole portfolio. But the spreads, on the SPY are a penny. So you get stopped out pretty much right at your stop. So you don't lose too much in losing trades. And when you get winners, they not only make up for your losing trades, they far surpass them. So this SPY system has been working very well. And then the swing system, eventually this system will work well too once the bull market returns. But this is a long only system. We're looking for individual stocks in a strong multi-month uptrend. And then we buy these names after a period of consolidation. So a bull flag, and then it either breaks out or maybe it has a healthy pullback back into the flag near support, and we buy sometimes at lower levels. And then my size here is between 2.5% and 5% of my total portfolio for each position in that system. So I'm only putting up 2.5% to 5% of my total net worth into these names. And then stops are always no greater than 10% from my buy price. So we keep a pretty tight stop on these as well, but enough room to let them work and not to get, tossed out of the trade in extreme volatility. We give a little room for volatility, and hopefully it moves in our direction. Right now, volatility is too great. Breakouts aren't working. Individual names aren't working as well. So this system has been put on pause, but once the bull trend comes back, this system will be a winner. So those are the three systems that I trade. Using these three systems, I have been able to consistently achieve 0.50 or a 0.5% profit, 0.5% of my total AUM or total market value profit each week, no matter the market, in both in the uptrends, and right now as we're experiencing in the downtrends, I'm still putting up 0.5% per week. This equates to roughly 25% per year, handily beating the S&P 500's average of 11%. So how do I do this? Like I said, I take it week by week. Each Monday, I write a trading script based on current market conditions. And as you know, they're always changing, especially in this market. Each and every week, it seems like a new market. We profit from those setups. We're going to take losers too, but consistently, I've been able to make more profit than losses. After that week's passed, we profit from that week. Hopefully we get our 0.5%. We write a new script, or I write a new script the following Monday based on those market conditions. And oftentimes, especially in this market, like I said, they change. Because if you are profitable each and every week, you break it down to weeks and you're profitable each and every week, you're going to be profitable each and every month. You're going to be profitable each and every year, and you're going to be able to hopefully trade for a living, which I do now. So this is the overarching philosophy of all trades at NPP. Be profitable in any market condition each and every week. And if you have any questions, please DM me directly, and I can answer those. Just like my last service, I will be tweeting all my trades, and we'll be having these Zoom calls each and every Monday right before the market opens. And as always, you can DM me with any questions, and I'll answer them. So that's the service. Hopefully you consider it, and it will begin, like I said, May 16th.